Yeah, just a quick review of Hempvana Arthritis Pain Relief Gel. So starting at the beginning, what's in it? I mean, why would you want to consider using it? Well, basically, this is a product mainly for pain coming from arthritis. That's really what it's intended for. So for instance, if you have arthritis in your hands or your knee, you just put it on there, let it absorb, and see how it works. So how exactly does it work? Exactly what's in this stuff? Well, anytime you're considering using something like this, you need to look at one thing, not the reviews, although they're good to look at too. You need to look at the active ingredients, okay? And so what exactly is an active ingredient? Well, it's any ingredient that has a direct biological effect or pharmacological activity in the body, okay? In other words, these are the ingredients in this product that really do the heavy lifting, that really make it work. Not that there aren't contain other things that might help, but these are really the main ones that really do the job of getting rid of pain. Now, in the case of Hempvana Arthritis Pain Relief Gel, the active ingredient is menthol. You get 8% menthol, which is a pretty good amount. And menthol, provides you with this cooling sensation that can help stimulate the nerves and help block pain. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So the big overarching question is, do you get temporary relief or do you get permanent relief after using this stuff? Well, I think it kind of depends. Well, let's say you have like arthritis in your back. Day to day, you're not doing too bad, but sometimes if you do too much, it really aggravates your arthritis. Then you get back pain, and then the muscles start reacting to the pain that's going on. Let's say you irritated your joints or your disc or something. You have spinal stenosis in your low back. You irritate that, and then the muscles react by going into spasm, and that creates more pain, and then you have more spasm, and then you get this pain cycle. So I think in cases where you do have this pain cycle, something like this can give you permanent relief. What happens is, if you can kind of use this once or twice and get the pain down, or just get rid of it, like say you put some of this on your back and hey, I don't have any pain anymore, you can kind of break up that pain cycle, so your body kind of resets itself, so you won't have that constant pain. After using it a couple times, you may be good to go. You may get permanent relief. I think in most cases, especially if you have like chronic like knee arthritis, or maybe base of the thumb arthritis or shoulder arthritis, usually takes a multi-pronged approach. In other words, you need several treatments really to get long-term relief. So one good example, let's say you have hand arthritis, or you have arthritis in your thumb, which is pretty common, especially in females as they get older. You can't really do much now, okay? But hey, look, something like, let's say another treatment like exercise. We know exercise, making the muscle stronger in the hand, getting more flexibility in the hand. We know that results in long-term improvement, but you can't do that right now. You can't do any exercises. So what you do is you put on this, you try some of this cream, and when the pain starts going down, that'll enable you to do exercise. So then you do a nice little short exercise program, something like this book. There aren't that many good hand and thumb or osteoarthritis books. I think there's only a couple. This is one of the better ones. Treat Your Own Hand and Thumb Osteoarthritis by Jim Johnson PT. I think you can get this on Amazon too. Basically, it's like a program. Take you like 10 minutes a day or less to do. So you'll have a window of opportunity after using the pain relieving cream, gel, to get pain relief, so you can do these exercises. And then once your hand gets stronger and it gets less stiff, you can move it better, better coordination in your hands. That's how you get the long-term relief. So real briefly, this is like how to get rid of stiffness. Starts out with like, what exactly is arthritis, kind of gives you an overview. Lots of pictures in this book. If you're a visual learner, you really like it. Getting rid of stiffness. Shows you how to make your own hot pack. Just give you some general range of motion exercises. This is what you go to therapy for. Like a hand therapist would go through these kind of exercises. And they only take a few minutes to do, if you know which ones to do. Making your hands stronger gives you some exercises to strengthen your hands, just a couple of them. Like this program's really short. So even if the cream doesn't give you more than 30 minutes relief, 15 minutes relief, that'll give you enough time to do these exercises. As far as base of the thumb arthritis, hey, there's even an exercise here. This is called your abductor pollicis longus muscle. It actually attaches to the base of your thumb and helps stabilize the joint. So if you get that muscle stronger by doing this exercise 3 times a week, it'll strengthen your thumb, and as the joint gets more stable, there'll be less irritation from the arthritis, and you'll be feeling a lot better. So just gives you simple strengthening exercise, increasing the coordination in your hands, that kind of stuff. Well, here again, the idea is exercise gives you long-term relief, but hey, you can't do it because you're hurting. Use a product like this to get some pain relief. That will enable you to do other treatments that will get you the long relief. So yeah, great product. Check it out.